During a disaster, your water heater, which holds 30 to 50 gallons, is an excellent source of drinkable water. To access the water, follow these important steps. First, turn off the gas, or if your water heater is electric, locate your electrical panel and turn off the water heater circuit breaker. Then, find the water heater shutoff valve. To turn off the water flow to the tank, turn the valve to the right. Locate the valve for draining the tank at the bottom of your water heater. There's a place to attach a garden hose and the on and off valve. Connect the hose to the valve. Turn the valve to the left to start the water flow. You can then fill your water container. Turn the valve to the right to stop the water flow. Remember, your water heater holds 30 to 50 gallons and is a safe source of drinkable water during disasters.